Why did the Titanic really sink? Hello, everyone. We've all heard that the Titanic sank because it hit an iceberg, but was that really the whole story? On the night of April 14th, 1912, the Titanic was sailing across the Atlantic Ocean at high speed. Even though the crew had received several warnings about icebergs in the area, the ship's speed was not significantly reduced. At around 11:40 p.m., the lookouts spotted a massive iceberg directly ahead. The crew tried to turn the ship, but it was too late. The iceberg scraped along the ship's side, tearing open several of its watertight compartments. The Titanic's designers believed the ship could stay afloat even if a few compartments were flooded. However, water spilled from one compartment into the next, causing the ship to slowly sink. Another major problem was that the Titanic did not have enough lifeboats for everyone on board. Out of more than 2,200 passengers and crew, over 1,500 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. Today, experts believe the Titanic did not sink simply because it struck an iceberg. Instead, it was the combination of high speed, poor decisions, harsh weather conditions, and a shortage of lifeboats that turned the collision into a catastrophe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating historical stories and mysteries.